What if your phone didn't need to be big to do big things? Introducing Jelly Max, a modern 5G Android smartphone that perfectly balances portability and power in a world of forgettable devices. Its transparent body and unique size stand out, but don't let its size fool you. Jelly Max is powerful. It has lightning-fast 5G for unbeatable download speeds, along with the latest features of Android 14, with thinner bezels than ever before. Jelly Max features an all-new 5-inch screen, but it's more than just looks. Jelly Max does what big phones can. Cramped thumbs, fixed. Bulky pockets, gone. Workout interruptions, never again. Text, scroll, snap, all with one hand. For gaming, its Dimensity 7300 processor enables smooth gameplay on the hottest titles. It's powered by a 4,000 milliamp battery for all-day use. And when it's time to charge, you can do it quickly with 66-watt fast charging. For photography, Jelly Max brings a one-of-a-kind experience. With the smooth, curved back, the Jelly Max fits perfectly into your palm. Combined with its small size, it's amazingly stable for action shots. Jelly Max comes with a stunning 100-megapixel camera, a dedicated telephoto lens, and a 32-megapixel front camera for beautiful selfies. Jelly Max can also fit where other bigger phones can't, letting you capture unique angles. People say the small phone is dead. Jelly Max says it's just getting started. Small form, massive power. That's Jelly Max. Get yours today.